Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. Today, I'll show you how to crochet a cute little rainbow. This is a fun and colorful project that's perfect for using up leftover yarn. You can mix and match your favorite colors to create your own unique rainbow combination. For my rainbows, I made one using soft pastel colors and another using contrasting colors. You can choose any colors you like to make your own. Before we start, let me show you the tools and materials you'll need. I'm using 4-ply cotton yarn in a few different colors for my rainbows. You'll also need a 2.5mm crochet hook, or a hook that matches your yarn size, a yarn needle, a pair of scissors, a stuffing tool, some stuffing, and a stitch marker if needed. Let's get everything ready and start with the rainbow. Pick up your purple yarn and make 15 chains. After that, make a slip stitch into the first chain to join the chain into a round. For round 1, continue using the purple yarn. Start with a chain, then insert your hook into both loops of the chain and work an increase in every stitch, which means 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. You can place a stitch marker in the first stitch to help keep track of the round. Round 1 will take a little more time because every stitch needs to be worked into the chain. When you reach the last stitch, insert the hook from the top of the last stitch, then yarn over and pull through with the new color. And make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round with the new color. This helps create a cleaner color change. Then cut off the purple yarn. For round 2, start with a chain, then work 1 single crochet, followed by 1 increase. Repeat this sequence a total of 15 times. You can place a stitch marker in the first stitch to help keep track of the round. When you reach the last stitch, cut off the yarn. Insert the hook from the top of the last stitch, then yarn over and pull through with the new color, which is light blue. Then make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round with the new color. Continue with the light blue yarn. For round 3, start with a chain, then work 1 increase, followed by 2 single crochet. Repeat this sequence a total of 15 times. When you finish the round, switch to the next color, which is green, while working the last stitch. Then, make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round with the new color. Cut the yarn and continue with the green yarn. For round 4, start with a chain, then work 1 single crochet in every stitch around. When you reach the end, switch to yellow yarn and make a slip stitch to finish the round with the new color. For round 5, start with a chain, then work 1 single crochet in every stitch around. At the end of the round, switch to orange yarn and make a slip stitch to finish the round with the new color. For round 6, start with a chain, then work 1 single crochet in every stitch around. At the end of the round, switch to red yarn and make a slip stitch to finish the round with the new color. For round 7, start with a chain, then work 3 single crochet, followed by 1 decrease. You can use either an invisible decrease or a normal decrease, whichever you prefer. Once finished, cut the yarn and use the yarn tail to weave through the second stitch. Then back into the last stitch to create an invisible join. Next, fold the rainbow in half, making sure both sides line up nicely. Thread the yarn tail into your yarn needle, then start sewing the 2 sides together through both loops. Sew slowly and neatly around the edge to keep the rainbow shape nice and even. Before closing the opening completely, stuff the inside with polyester fiber fill, little by little. Try not to overstuff it. Just add enough filling to give the rainbow a soft and puffy shape, while still keeping the curved rainbow form. And here, your rainbow is complete. Next, let's make the little cloud beside the rainbow. Pick your yarn color and start with 5 chains. For round 1, start with a chain, then insert your hook into the back bump of the second chain from the hook and work 1 increase. Next, work 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. In the last chain, work 3 single crochet all in the same stitch. Now you've reached the other side of the chain. Insert your hook into both loops and work 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. The last single crochet will be worked into the same stitch where you made the first increase. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to end the round. For round 2, start with a chain. In the first stitch, work 1/2 double crochet, followed by 1 double crochet, and 1/2 double crochet, all in the same stitch. Then work 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this sequence a total of 6 times to form the cloud shape. Once finished, cut the yarn and make an invisible join for a cleaner finish. Make 4 pieces using the same pattern. Now all the parts are ready. Let's assemble everything together. You can either sew or use glue to attach the pieces, depending on your preference. Place the cloud pieces on the front and back so your cloud looks nice from both sides, even when it is turned around. Once everything is in place, secure it well so it holds its shape nicely. Now, your rainbow cloud decoration is complete. I hope you had fun making this colorful and cute project with me. You can always mix and match different yarn colors to create your own unique rainbow scene and give each cloud its own personality. Thank you so much for watching and crocheting along with me. Happy crocheting and see you soon in the next video.